Ava, my dear friend. So you've heard somewhere that programmer is a ridiculously high-paid job, so you decide to become one. And to begin, you go to a place where you can always watch some free programming tutorials. And I mean YouTube, of course. So fasten your seatbelt because you're about to meet your new instructors.
What's up guys, in this video we're going to be doing some Spring application, and we're going to start with transaction controller. So in here we need to do some stuff. We're going to do some more stuff. You can see we all have this red. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to implement linked list. So first of all, we need to create a new class called node. This is going to be an entity of node.
Hello everybody, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the very basic application you can write in Java. We're going to do a hello world, very famous. You can write hello world in every language, so we're going to start with building a class. We're going to call it hello world app. And here we are, we have created our first app. And so here finally we have created our first class. Let's run it, hello world application, and we see what happens. Hopefully it's gonna work. But Mom, I'm teaching coding here. Can you wait? Mom. Okay.
So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to implement linked list. So first of all, we need to create a new class called node. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to implement linked list.
Hey guys, sorry for my voice today, but despite me being sick, I couldn't wait when I'll get better, and I've decided to record the video anyway.
Okay, so here we successfully finished the implementation of our linked list, and now we're going to try to run it. Let's see. Okay, welcome everyone to my crash course in Java. So we're going to start with a simple, so we're going to do price edit. I'll explain what I mean a bit later. Logger. And then we'll just paste some simple code, and then here we go, we have Minecraft.
Hey, I'm Andrew. For the past 10 years, I worked as a developer in Google, Facebook, and Amazon, among the few. So today I'm gonna teach you how to pump up your biceps.
If I've missed anyone, please let me know in the comments below, but meantime, give this video Emperor's thumbs up, toll the bell and subscribe. That was V, bye for now.